Hi there. My name's Laurel Papworth and I teach workshops on Microsoft Copilot and artificial intelligence at universities, corporates and government. I thought that today we would have a look at what Microsoft Copilot inside 365 Studio Bing means to business and government. So the term Copilot is used by Microsoft in 22 different instances. They've used it since 2019. It's a generic and descriptive term. It just means an assistant that does a bit more, like has integrations. So an AI assistant is the original ChatGPT. You ask it a question and it doesn't ask a question back. It just gives you an answer and you leave it at that. Also Siri, Google, autocomplete functions, spelling, AIs, those sort of things are assistants. Copilot is used by Salesforce and IBM and Oracle and Google Duets. A Copilot used by lots of different companies to really mean the integration of AI so that it's more useful. As an example, there are out of the 22 different uses of Microsoft Copilot, and there's Copilot Designer and for images, and there's Copilot for coding, there's Dynamics 365 Copilot, there's the Power BI one, I can't remember, there's lots of them. The three that I like to focus on are Copilot Chat, which can sit inside the Microsoft Office home screen. Pretty sure it's free at the moment. Always check when my videos come out. Things have changed in the last week. But Copilot Chat is just ChatGPT integration or GPT integration with Search GPT functionality. So it has the web_browsing plugin plus a bit more. You sit on the left-hand side, you go in there, you just ask questions, you're good. And if you have both Microsoft 365 Copilot and also Copilot Chat, then you'll see there's a button at the top which says Web and Work currently. I don't think that'll last much longer, but it's there. Now, the second one, which is Microsoft 365 Copilot, and that's the one that comes inside Microsoft Excel. So in class, for instance, we do pivot tables, but you can ask it to analyze data and create dashboards. We have Microsoft Word. So instead of having to take text from Word, put it into ChatGPT, have it edit it for you, then copy it back again, now it's built within Word itself. You can access it in the top right-hand corner or the button above your document. There's lots of other uses, for instance, Pages and Canvas, but I really want to just focus on the fact that you can open up Teams and have the Copilot create transcripts, things like that. Go into your OneDrive, create PowerPoint presentations, yada, yada, yada. So you can see the difference, I think. ChatGPT sits over there on its own. It's an AI assistant. Now that it's moved inside the Microsoft suite, it's a Copilot. The third one is Copilot Studio, basically custom GPTs, little baby apps. And Copilot Studio, I think they have a free 1,000-seater at the moment called the Copilot Viral something, Copilot Studio Viral. Anyway, I can take all the compliance and regulations for my industry, put them into a SharePoint folder or connect into the back-end systems, and then create a little app so people who need to know regulations and compliance can ask in plain English and get the responses. Just a reminder, GPT, the P stands for pre-trained. So it's like Encyclopedia Britannica. The regulations and compliant document built inside are a year out of date unless you're using a custom GPT or RAG or something like that. They're the three main ones. I think the future, which is going to be AI agents and agentic workflows where it does the work for you, is coming. It's not here yet. So we'll have to stay with the term AI Copilot. When did it come out? 2017, I think. So probably 10 years. And then we'll be purely into AI agents. We won't have to ask how to do something. We'll just say, create me a website, sign me up for a new bank account, get me a business number, something like that. In my courses, I go through Microsoft Copilot and pass on the tips and structured prompting and things that I see, what's improving, what needs to improve. When are we going to get custom instructions and base prompts and system prompts inside the main Microsoft 365 Copilot without having to use Copilot Studio, that kind of thing. But anyway, if you're interested, come along to the courses. Otherwise, in the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to stay human.